right, guys, and so there you go. You've seen the unboxing of the EOS R6 Mark II. It's been a few years since I actually bought the original R6, and it was time for an overdue. It was time for an upgrade, but definitely had the chance and ability to be able to make this video for you guys. That I finally got my R6 Mark II, and yes, I will definitely run a lot of tests with the R6 Mark II. Now, I don't have the R6 because I sold that. However, I am curious to compare this with the current EOS R5 that I'm currently shooting right now. So, well, with that being said, you know, this camera it was time for an upgrade. And for me, it was more like, on the video side of things, it was more like, oh, how can I be more, you know, creative? How can I do a lot of things that, you know, as creators, we would like to go ahead and, you know, not run into any issues on the video side of things. So I'm not going to talk about a lot more about picture wise, but more like video wise. And for me, it was just, okay, I needed something that could last me. I needed something that doesn't overheat, which one of the major pain points that the current R6 has when recording, you know, 4K 24, 4K 30, 4K 60. And that being said, like I said, I do a lot of weddings. My Instagram is going to be linked right here. So you guys, you know, I've shot a lot of weddings. I've done a lot of weddings with the R6, but because when it came to summertime, because of such ambient temperatures, the R6 could not handle the heat very well. So now with the R6 Mark II, I'm gonna run really good tests on these and to tell you guys, you know, how I feel about it. But one of the good things that I'm actually very happy about is basically the switches on the top. So, you know, you switch it from photo and video, where the on and lock off switch is, and those switches are just going to be very helpful for me because I really like the idea. Now, don't get me wrong, when I look at this, I see the on and off switch. It almost looks like you can accidentally just move it from this side to make it, you know, accidentally turn on and off, but it actually doesn't work like that. So the actual toggle switch on the top, it's just one switch itself, so it doesn't interfere with the current knob here. So when I turn it on, it turns on, and that's something that's really going to help me out with, you know, make sure that the camera's turned completely off. As to when it comes to the left side of it, the on and off switch, just like the EOS R7, you know, I can put it in my bag and accidentally just, you know, can squeeze it in there and hit it and turn it on while I'm driving to my next shoot and just, you know, drain the battery along the way, and which was very inconvenient. So with that being said, these specs are pretty good. I know that there's custom modes that you can definitely customize, you know, your previous settings for when it comes to video. So that's a plus. And so, yeah, with that being said, you know, I'm looking forward to doing a lot more tests and bringing you the updates on what this camera can do. So if you want to see those results, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will bring those tests come along. I'm gonna do a lot of tests when it comes to videos, in the video side of things, and compare this with what currently, you know, the R5 can do, and side along comparison. I think that's gonna be really cool to compare it with, and you know, let's see how this new sensor can stack up with this sensor right here. So, all right. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want me to test anything on it, please let me know in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.